Hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube video on how to learn ethical hacking step by step. Ethical hacking is a rewarding and challenging field that involves using the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers to find and fix security vulnerabilities in systems and networks. If you're interested in learning ethical hacking, this video is for you. Step 1. Gain a solid understanding of computer systems and networks. The first step in learning ethical hacking is to gain a solid understanding of computer systems and networks. This includes learning about computer hardware, operating systems, and programming languages. This will give you a strong foundation in computer science and help you understand how computer systems and networks work. Step 2. Study security principles and cryptography. Once you have a solid understanding of computer systems and networks, you need to learn about security principles and cryptography. This includes learning about confidentiality, integrity, and availability, as well as the role of cryptography in securing communications. Step 3. Learn about the types of attacks. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the common types of attacks, such as malware, phishing, and denial of service attacks, and how they are executed. This will give you a better understanding of the types of threats that exist and how they can be defended against. Step 4. Familiarize yourself with ethical hacking tools. There are many tools used in ethical hacking, including network scanners, vulnerability scanners, and penetration testing tools. Familiarize yourself with these tools and their use in finding security vulnerabilities. Step 5. Practice your skills. The best way to learn ethical hacking is to practice what you've learned in a safe and controlled environment. You can do this by setting up virtual labs or participating in online challenges and competitions. Step 6. Stay up to date. The field of security is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay current with the latest technologies and best practices. Attend conferences, participate in online forums, and read industry publications to stay informed. Step 7. Consider obtaining certifications. Finally, consider obtaining certifications in ethical hacking, such as Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, or Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. These certifications demonstrate your expertise in the field and can make you a more competitive job candidate. Conclusion. In conclusion, learning ethical hacking requires dedication and a strong understanding of computer systems and networks. By following these steps and staying dedicated to building your knowledge and skills, you can become a successful ethical hacker. Thank you for watching and good luck on your learning journey.